dictionary? The answer to this question has three parts. A dictionary is a long list. Just like any dictionary of old, it's a long list of word meaning pairs. Dictionaries also have a way to look up the meaning of a word very easily. A Python dictionary is a dictionary as well. It is a list of word meaning pairs where the words are called keys and the meanings are called values. Just like an English dictionary, a Python dictionary has key value pairs. Just like a list in Python is enclosed between square brackets, a dictionary is enclosed between curly brackets. The key value pairs are separated by commas and the key and value are separated by a colon. Here is a dictionary of 3 key value pairs. Pi is the key and 3.14 is the value. 25 is a key, the square of 5 is its value. Vithal is a key and some dude's name is the value. This is a list of key value pairs with a way to quickly look up the value for a key. What do we do with dictionaries? Just like you would put elements into a list, you can put key value pairs into a dictionary. Putting key value pairs into a dictionary is called insertion. Given a key, you could look up the dictionary and find its value. This is called lookup. You could remove a key value pair from the dictionary. You could check how many key value pairs are in them, or you could do things with specific key value pairs. Also, given a key, you could check if that particular key exists in the dictionary. So let's start with insertion, which is putting a key value pair into a dictionary. We want to put this key value pair into an empty dictionary which doesn't have any key value pairs yet. The key is 25 and the value is square of -5. So let's add this key value pair to a currently empty dictionary variable. Let's create the empty dictionary as empty var. Then empty var square brackets enclosing 25 equals square of -5. We'll add a key value pair to empty var. The key will be 25 and the value will be square of -5. So let's quickly parse that. Empty var square brackets 25 square of -5. Empty var is the dictionary to which we want to add a key value pair. 25 is the key and square of -5 is the value. Next, let's see how we can look up. Looking up a value given a key. The key is 3.14. We want to print out the value corresponding to this key. Here's how we'll do this. We are printing out the value corresponding to the key 3.14 is dict var of 3.14. There could be key errors here. This is when a key doesn't exist and you try to print its value. So if you try to print the value corresponding to the key 3.14 in empty var, you would get a key error. Now you could have a list of all the keys in a dictionary and also the list of all the values in a dictionary. Dict var.keys will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary dict var. Dict var.keys is equal to a list 25 with till 3.14. Dict var.values will return the list of all the values. The length of dict var.keys will tell us how many key value pairs are in this dictionary. So the way to figure out the length of a dictionary, how many key value pairs it has, is to get either the keys or the values as a list and figure out the length of that list. Now let's take an example and see how we could check if a key is in a dictionary and also remove that particular key value pair from the dictionary. Here is a mind-bending bit of code. Take a second to absorb what's going on. There are a bunch of interesting things here. First, it asks the user to input a key to delete. The user has entered Vitthal. Next, it checks if the dictionary dictoire has this key, input key to delete, by saying if input key to delete in dictoire. This is the way to check if the key is in the dictionary. So this next bit of code executes only if input key to delete is in dictoire. We use the pop function to remove the key value pair from dictoire. This way we can avoid a key error in case the user inputs a key which doesn't exist in the dictionary. By the way, notice how the statements inside the if statement are indented. In Python, both for loops and for if-else statements, and when you define a function as well, this indentation is critical. If you don't